This is a step-by-step guide on how to remove your NMI Quick Release Minibus seats by CVM World. Start by marking or remembering the seat positions. This ensures you can reinstall them exactly where they were. Then, lift the white pin and pull back the red handle on the left leg of the seat to release the locking mechanism. Repeat the same on the right leg, lift the pin, pull back the handle. Next, gently tilt the seat forward to free it from the floor track. Once it's loose, carefully lift the seat out of the vehicle. Be sure to lift safely, it may be heavy. And now, to reinstall the seat, align the front fixings with your marked positions and slot them into the track. Make sure the rear fixing is locked into place, then push the red handle forward to secure the seat. Repeat the same for the right leg. And that's it! Seat removed, reinstalled and ready to go. Thanks for watching. For more guides and support, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.